Welcome to a glimpse into the future of computing, where the boundaries between science fiction and reality blur. Today we introduce the Quantara Nexus, a visionary leap into what could soon be the pinnacle of computational power. Though the Quantara Nexus remains a figment of our collective imagination, its conceptual foundation is rooted in the rapid advancements within quantum and classical computing realms. With the pace of technological progress, the emergence of such a system is not just a possibility, but could be our reality by 2028. The Quantara Nexus represents a hybrid quantum classical computing platform, integrating the nuanced strengths of photonics and ion trapping with the familiar robustness of classical systems. This design contrasts with the superconducting approaches currently pioneered by giants like Google and IBM, offering a unique perspective on how quantum computing could evolve. It suggests a future where computing power is not just incrementally better, but transformed overnight, redefining the landscape of computational possibilities. As we delve into the world of the Quantara Nexus, remember, today's fiction could be tomorrow's blueprint. This journey is not just about imagining a new era of computing, but understanding the pivotal role such innovations could play in addressing some of humanity's most complex challenges. The Quantara Nexus, though fictional for now, stands as a testament to the potential of quantum and classical synergies, heralding a future where such monumental advances could indeed become a reality. Envision a computing breakthrough unlike any before. The Quantara Nexus, the most formidable computing device ever conceived. This hybrid quantum classical platform boasts a seamless integration of over 1,000 impeccably orchestrated qubit and Qudits with a classical computing binary system, all operating at room temperature and connected to an advanced next-generation internet. But the Quantara Nexus transcends terrestrial boundaries. It is linked to a multi-planetary space data hub maintained within a geostationary satellite network that spans from Earth to the Moon and stretches to Mars, all interconnected by a state-of-the-art quantum communication network. This computational colossus heralds a new epoch in the annals of scientific achievement. Nestled within a pioneering laboratory in the United States, the inception of the Quantara Nexus marks the dawn of a computing revolution, setting the stage to expand the frontiers of human knowledge and capability beyond imagination. This marvel of quantum engineering epitomizes the zenith of our technological ambitions, emerging not just as a computer, but as a symphony of quantum coherence and classical robustness, a beacon of hope for surmounting humanity's most daunting challenges. At the heart of the Quantara Nexus thrives a harmonious fusion of photonics and ion-trapping technologies, coalesced with a sophisticated classical interface. This hybrid system encapsulates the quintessence of quantum and classical realms, leveraging the distinctive strengths of each to achieve an unparalleled level of computational power and flexibility. The photonics system, a vanguard of speed and connectivity. Photonics, the quintessence of light, propels the Quantara Nexus, harnessing light's unmatched velocity and its capacity for simultaneous multi-state occupancy to facilitate swift, highly parallel computations. The resilience of photonic qubits against decoherence renders them ideal for executing algorithms that demand vast parallelism and high-speed data conveyance, significantly enhancing processing power for intricate calculations and simulations. The ion trap system, the essence of deep computation. The ion trap component of the Quantara Nexus unveils its own set of unparalleled advantages, capturing and manipulating ions within a meticulously controlled electromagnetic field to achieve profound quantum interaction and entanglement. Celebrated for their extended coherence times and precision operations, ion traps excel in executing complex algorithms that necessitate deep quantum circuits, crucial for intricate quantum state manipulations, material simulations, and exploring the depths of quantum mechanics. A classical interface, the harmonizer. The Quantara Nexus is equipped with a cutting-edge classical computing interface, serving as the linchpin between quantum marvels and practical application. This interface translates quantum insights into actionable intelligence, ensuring the revolutionary capabilities of both the photonics and ion trap systems are not only accessible but also practical, propelling quantum computing from theoretical realms into the sphere of tangible, impactful reality. The quantum renaissance, a new frontier of discovery. With its unveiling, the Quantara Nexus heralds a new era of discovery and innovation, poised to address the most perplexing challenges of our time, from transforming drug discovery and molecular modeling to revolutionizing logistics, from pioneering personalized medicine to establishing quantum-safe cybersecurity, and from enhancing financial modeling to advancing space exploration. The Quantara Nexus stands not merely as a machine, but as a testament to human ingenuity and a promise of a future where the once impossible becomes achievable. It signifies the dawn of a quantum renaissance, where the melding of photonics, ion traps, and classical computing paves the way to unparalleled advancements and a deeper comprehension of the cosmos. Welcome to the future where the Quantara Nexus redefines what's possible, one quantum state at a time. This platform embodies an immense potential tool, bridging the chasm between theoretical possibilities and practical applications, and marking a transformative era in our approach to addressing some of the most complex and pressing dilemmas facing humanity and our planet. As we stand on the precipice of what could be the greatest revolution in computing, the vision of the Quantara Nexus offers not just a glimpse into the potential of quantum mechanics, but a beacon of hope for our shared future. This fictional system embodies the aspirations of a world yearning for solutions to its most dire challenges: climate change, diseases that steal our loved ones, the hunger that afflicts millions, and the conflicts that tear at the fabric of our societies. Imagine a world where the Quantara Nexus turns the tide against global warming, unraveling the complexities of our climate system with unprecedented precision, and offering solutions that are not merely palliative, but curative. Envision a future where cancer is no longer a verdict, but a challenge to be overcome with targeted treatments, where the discovery of new antibiotics outpaces the menace of resistance, ensuring that common infections do not turn into deadly threats. Picture a world nourished by sustainable food sources, discovered and optimized by this quantum leap in computing, ending the specter of hunger that looms over the most vulnerable populations. Contemplate a future where the Quantara Nexus aids in crafting negotiation techniques and conflict resolution strategies, so advanced and so nuanced that wars and conflicts become relics of a less enlightened past. Yet without such advancements, the future of humanity hangs in a delicate balance. The challenges we face are accelerating, growing more complex and intertwined. The Quantara Nexus, though a figment of our imagination today, symbolizes the urgent need for breakthroughs that can only come from daring to dream, innovate, and transcend the limits of today's technology. In the end, it's not just about the creation of a quantum computing system. It's about what such a system represents, the culmination of human ingenuity and collaboration, a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and a better world. As we look to the horizon, let us channel our collective efforts, creativity, and spirit into making the dream of the Quantara Nexus a reality. For if we do not rise to meet the moment with the same courage and vision that inspired this concept, we may indeed struggle to secure a future for humanity. The journey ahead is fraught with challenges, but it is also brimming with potential. Let the vision of the Quantara Nexus inspire us all to push the boundaries of what is possible, to not only imagine a better world, but to make it a reality. For in our hands lies not just the power to dream, but the power to shape the future itself. If you're inspired by the vision of the Quantara Nexus and the transformative potential of quantum computing, don't forget to subscribe and like this content. Your support enables us to continue exploring and discussing urgent innovations that could redefine the future of mankind. Together, we can delve deeper into the possibilities that lie at the intersection of technology and human progress.